Dear student, in this video we will learn chapter number 3 Construction of Triangles practice set 4.2. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it today itself. Let's start.
Today in the topic construction of triangles, practice set 4.2, question 1. Construct triangle XYZ, YZ 7.4 cm, angle XYZ 45 degree and XY minus XZ 2.7 cm. So we can see that here YZ 7.4, we can say base is given, angle XYZ 45 degree, angle adjacent to the base, and XY minus XZ, that is difference of other two sides is given. Okay, so in the previous construction we have seen sum of two sides is given. Now this is the difference of two sides is given. Let us draw a rough figure for that. So we have drawn one triangle. Triangle is XYZ. YZ 7.4 centimeter. Angle XYZ, this is 45 degree. And XY minus XZ, XY minus XZ, that is 2.7 centimeter. See here, when this XY, this is greater than this, in this case the 2.7 centimeter arc will be drawing above the base. Okay, this arc we are going to draw above the base. This sign you can see, you will draw the arc above the base. Let's start with the construction now. First we draw the base 7.4 centimeter. This is the base we have drawn, YZ 7.4 centimeter. Now you can see angle XYZ 45 degree. So at this point Y, we draw angle of 45 degree. So we can draw one ray here. Okay, we can draw one ray. So this is ray we can draw. Okay, then after making angle of 45 degree, okay, then now see XY minus XZ is 2.7 centimeter. So take the distance of 2.7 centimeter. Taking distance of 2.7 centimeter. From this point Y, you cut an arc of 2.7. Name this point at say W. Okay, this is 2.7 centimeter. Remember that XY minus XZ 2.7. So we have drawn the cut the arc of 2.7. Now draw this segment WZ. And after this, to get the triangle XYZ, to get this point X, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of WZ. I repeat, perpendicular bisector of WZ. Take the rounder, keep it on point Z, take more than half distance, you can see that, take more than half distance and cut the arc on the either side of WZ. You can see that from point Z and now from point W. And join this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of WZ. Make the symbol here perpendicular bisector. And where this perpendicular bisector intersect this ray YP, name this point as point X and draw X to Z. So this is the required triangle XYZ. Okay, XYZ, YZ 7.4, angle 45 degree, and here we have XY minus XZ, that is 2.7. So in the topic construction of triangles, okay, see one example, practice set 4.2 example we have taken. Construct triangle ABC, BC 7 cm, angle B 40 degree and AC minus AB 3 cm. So we can see here base is given 7 cm, angle adjacent to the base, that is 40 degree, and AC minus AB, that is difference of other two sides, is given. So here we have to construct this triangle. First we draw a rough figure for this. So this is one triangle we have drawn, triangle ABC. This is given 40 degree, base is 7 cm, and you can see this AC minus AB. See in the figure, AC minus AB, this right side, you can see right side is greater, AC minus AB. In that case, when this right side is greater, AC minus AB, there this arc which we draw of 3 cm, we'll draw it down, okay, below the base. See how we'll do that. Let's start with the actual construction. First we draw the base 7 cm. Okay, this is the base 7 cm. After drawing the base BC 7 cm, now we'll draw an angle here 40 degree. Okay, and in this case, when you draw this angle 40 degree, you have to extend this line below. Okay, you have to extend this line. In this case, because that AC minus AB, this right side is greater, this angle is 40 degree. Okay, and we have extended this below. And now AC minus AB 3 cm. So we'll cut the arc of 3 cm now. But we have to cut the arc of 3 cm from this point B on this ray below the base. See that it is below the base. Okay, and this point, mark this point as D and draw this D to C. Okay, and now in this case we will draw perpendicular bisector of CD. CD perpendicular bisector. Keep the rounder on point C. Take more than half distance. We can see that, and draw the perpendicular bisector, and from D also. You can see that. Join this. Okay, so you have drawn perpendicular bisector of DC. Make 90 degree symbol here, and where this perpendicular bisector intersect this ray, this point, name it as point A, and draw seg A to C. So we got, you can see we got triangle ABC, base 7 cm, angle B 40 degree, and you can see in the figure, you can see AC is bigger, right? AC minus AB, you can see AC minus AB 3 cm. This is the required construction. Okay, you can do it.